Tonight in Spotlight, New Jersey, the Blossom Sisters Foundation.
Blossom Sisters Foundation, based in Hackensack,
is a
nonprofit created
to help build and help communities in New Jersey and New York
take part in dance art programs
that families otherwise can't afford.
One of the most difficult things we have to do is to figure out what is the most compelling success story to tell.
There's 105,000 young people in New York State that have an imprisoned parent. Primarily our activities are therapeutic.
Blossom Sisters Foundation, based in Hackensack, is a nonprofit created to help communities in New Jersey take part in dance art programs for families who otherwise can't afford them. Joining us by phone to talk to us this afternoon about their mission is Shama Elliott, co-founder of the Blossom Sisters Foundation. Hi, Shama. Thanks for being with us. So tell me all about it, the Blossom Sisters. What are you guys about?
Sure. Blossom Sisters Foundation is a division of Blossom Dance. Dance program originated in Hackensack, New Jersey. My sister Shatanya and I, we started the organization in 2008 to enable children in underserved communities the opportunity to participate in dance art programs.
You came to do this.
Compelling stories. The courage. I'm here because I feel called. The sacrifice. The triumphs. And these are the women behind the organization.